EduToddler team, the aim of our team is to make you guys a pro learner. So be with us for short lecture and depth knowledge. So there are many shapes around us made up of lines and curves. These are of different size and different measures. In this chapter, we will understand those shapes such as line segment, angles, triangles, quadrilateral, polygons and some three-dimensional shapes. Our first topic is line segment. So what is a line segment? We have already discussed this in the previous class. A portion of line which has two fixed endpoints is called a line segment. Suppose here एक लाइन है यहाँ पे दिया गया है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे दो एंड पॉइंट्स ड्रॉ कर दूं तो ये A and B. So A and B, this becomes a line segment, okay, which is not a line. This becomes a line segment. So now we will learn how to measure a line segment. There are three basic steps to measure a line segment, that is by observation, by tracing and by divider and ruler. So we will learn the first method, that is by observation. Okay? By observation. So in this method, by seeing only, we have to say which line segment is bigger or which line segment is smaller. Suppose दो line segment दिया गया है AB and PQ. तो हमें सिर्फ देख के ही पता लगाना होता है कि कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट बड़ा है और कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट छोटा है. यहाँ पे कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट बड़ा है? PQ. PQ is the line segment which is bigger than AB. Okay? Alright? But there is a drawback in it. What is that? If there is very less difference between two line segments, then we cannot say which line segment is greater and bigger or which line segment is smaller. Suppose दो line segment दिया गया है कुछ ऐसा ही. इसमें हम सिर्फ देख के नहीं बता सकते कि कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट बड़ा और कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट छोटा है. Now we will go for the second method, that is by tracing. Okay? The second one is by tracing. In this method, we will use a paper strip to measure which line segment is bigger or which line segment is smaller. Suppose we have given two line segment. दो line segment दिया गया है AB and PQ. Okay? So हमें क्या करना है? एक पेपर स्ट्रिप लाके एक पेपर स्ट्रिप लाएंगे और उसे फर्स्ट वाले लाइन सेगमेंट के ऊपर रख देंगे. फिर उसी मेजरमेंट के पेपर स्ट्रिप को हम दूसरे वाले लाइन सेगमेंट में रख देंगे. अगर वो पेपर स्ट्रिप दूसरे वाले लाइन सेगमेंट से छोटा है तो AB is smaller than PQ. पर अगर वो पेपर स्ट्रिप दूसरे वाले लाइन सेगमेंट से बड़ा होता है तो AB is greater than PQ. Alright? अब हम चलते हैं तीसरे प्रोसेस पर, that is by divider and ruler. Okay? The third process is by divider and ruler. So here a line segment is given and we will simply bring a scale and measure the line segment and we will get an exact measurement of the line segment. Okay? हम सिर्फ एक स्केल लाएंगे और इसको मेजर करेंगे तो हमें एक एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट मिलेगा. ऑब्जर्वेशन और ट्रेसिंग की तरह नहीं. ऑब्जर्वेशन और ट्रेसिंग में क्या होता है, हमें सिर्फ ये पता लगता है कि कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट बड़ा और कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट छोटा है, पर इस प्रोसेस में हमें एक एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट भी मिलता है. ठीक है? रूलर की मदद से कैसे करेंगे हमें पता चल गया. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर डिवाइडर. सो as you can see in this picture, there is a divider which has two pointer, just like a compass. compass की तरह ही वो दिखता है, पर compass में सिर्फ एक पॉइंटर होता है और डिवाइडर में दो पॉइंटर होता है. ठीक है? तो इसमें हम कैसे मेजर करेंगे? Suppose a line segment is given and we will bring a divider and we will place the two pointer of the divider on the two end points of the line segment. line segment की end points में दो पॉइंटर को प्लेस कर देंगे. फिर जो भी जितना भी मेजरमेंट होता है डिवाइडर का उसे लेके हम एक स्केल में प्लेस करेंगे. सपोज एक स्केल दिया गया है, जितना भी मेजरमेंट आएगा डिवाइडर का उसको लेके हम एक स्केल में प्लेस करेंगे, फिर हमें एक एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट मिल जाएगा। किसका? लाइन सेगमेंट का। लाइन सेगमेंट का एक एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट मिल जाएगा। सो दिस इज हाउ वी मेजर अ लाइन सेगमेंट यूजिंग डिवाइडर एंड रूलर। ऑलराइट, our next topic is angles. So there are many subtopics in angles such as measurement, degrees of angles and different types of shapes of angles. First we will learn the three basic types of angles, that is right angle, straight angle and complete angle. First we will go for the right angle. Okay. So what is a right angle? The angle which is of 90 degree is called a right angle, or an angle which comprises 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. Suppose यहाँ पे एक लाइन दिया गया है. If I draw a 90 degree here, then it becomes a right angle. Alright? इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि right angle सिर्फ ऐसे ही draw किया जा सकता है. This can be drawn like this also, and this also. कोई भी डायरेक्शन हो, अगर वो 90 डिग्री का होता है तो वो एक राइट एंगल होता है. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द सेकंड वन, दैट इज स्ट्रेट एंगल. सेकंड वन इज स्ट्रेट एंगल. So what is a straight angle? The straight angle which comprises 180 degree or the angle which is double of right angle is called a straight angle. Suppose here a line is given. If I draw a dotted line here, ये एक 90 डिग्री और ये एक 90 डिग्री, तो दोनों मिलके बनता है a straight angle which is 180 डिग्री. 90 plus 90 equals to 180 degree. Alright. So this becomes a straight angle which seems like a straight line. Alright. This can be also draw like this or this way, vertically, horizontally, और कोई भी डायरेक्शन में इसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. अगर वो 180 डिग्री का होता है तो वो एक स्ट्रेट एंगल है. Alright. Now we will go for the third angle, that is complete angle. The third angle is complete angle. So what is a complete angle? An angle which is double of straight angle is called a complete angle, or the angle which comprises 360 degree is called a complete angle. Suppose here a line is given. If I draw a dotted line here, ये एक 180 डिग्री का एंगल और ये एक 180 डिग्री एंगल. The whole becomes a complete angle. Alright? Like this becomes a complete angle, or this one also a complete angle. Alright? Now we will know three more types of angles, that is acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. So what is acute angle? Acute angle, an angle which is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay. Suppose here a line segment is given. A line is given. If I draw a dotted line here which is of 90 degree, all the angles which are less than 90 degree are called acute angle. Alright. Like this is an acute angle. This is also an acute angle. And this is also an acute angle. Alright. Now we will go for the second type of angle, that is obtuse angle. So what is an obtuse angle? An angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. This is a straight line. This is a line given Here if I draw a dotted line of 90 degree, all the angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree comprises obtuse angle. So what are obtuse angle? The angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Alright. Now we will go for the third angle, that is reflex angle. So what is a reflex angle? An angle which is greater than 180 degree is called reflex angle. Like this is an angle and this angle comprises reflex angle as it is greater than 180 degree. See here it becomes 180 degree. As it is greater than 180 degree it becomes reflex angle. If we see it in this way it becomes an acute angle, but if I change the direction of the angle then it becomes a reflex angle. Okay. Now we will see how to measure an angle using a protractor. So as you can see there is an angle given which is an acute angle, but we have to find the exact measurement of the angle, which degree. So we will use a protractor. This is a protractor and we will place this protractor such that this point and this point should be same and this line should be same like this. Now we have to check at which point this line is passing on the protractor. As you can see this point is 50, so we got an exact measurement of the angle which is 50 degree. Okay, so now you understand how to measure an angle using a protractor. Our next topic is perpendicular lines and bisector. So what is perpendicular line? When a line intersects another line with an angle of 90 degree, it is called as perpendicular line. Okay. For example, here a line segment is given A, B and another line PQ intersect AB with an angle of 90 degree, then PQ becomes perpendicular to AB and we can write it as PQ perpendicular on AB. Okay, so this is the sign of perpendicular. Alright, now we will know what is perpendicular bisector. So what is perpendicular bisector? When a perpendicular line divides another line into two equal parts, it becomes perpendicular bisector. Here AB is a given line and PQ is perpendicular to AB. If AQ is equals to QB, if AQ equals to QB, then PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Our next topic is triangles. So what is a triangle? We have already discussed it in the previous class. A triangle is a polygon with least number of sides. Okay. So now we will discuss the types of triangles based on angles. एंगल के बेसिस पर जितने भी तरह के ट्रायंगल्स हैं उसे हम डिस्कस करेंगे. The first one is acute angle triangle. Okay. So what is an acute angle triangle? A triangle in which all the angles are acute angle, or a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree, it becomes an acute angle triangle. Suppose here a triangle is given. You can see A, B and C. Here you can see all the angles are acute angle, or all the angles are less than 90 degree. So this triangle becomes an acute angle triangle because as you can see angle A is less than 90 degree. Angle B also less than 90 degree and angle C also less than 90 degree. So triangle A, B, C is an acute angle triangle. Okay. Next type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Here, if any one of the angle is obtuse angle, it is called as obtuse angle triangle. अगर कोई एक एंगल भी एक ट्रायंगल में obtuse angle होता है तो उसे हम obtuse angle triangle कहते हैं. Like this, you can see This is a triangle ABC. Here you can see this is an acute angle. This is also an acute angle, but angle B is an obtuse angle. As you can see, angle B is greater than 90 degree. So angle B is an obtuse angle. So we can say triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now we will go for the third type of triangle, that is the right angle triangle. Okay. So what is a right angle triangle? If a triangle contains 190 degree, that is called as right angle triangle. अगर एक ट्रायंगल में एक 90 डिग्री होता है तो उसे हम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. जैसे कि this one, here a triangle is given. As you can see, one side is acute angle and angle A is acute angle, angle C is also an acute angle, but angle B is a right angle. So we can say triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now we will discuss types of triangles based on sides. There are mainly three types of triangles based on sides, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So first we will go for scalene triangle. So what is a scalene triangle? A triangle which have all the three unequal sides is called a scalene triangle. Suppose here a triangle is given A, B and C. If all the three sides are unequal, अगर तीनों sides unequal होंगे और कोई भी एक दूसरे से मैच नहीं करेंगे तो उसे हम scalene triangle कहेंगे. ठीक है? Like this. Okay? Now we will go for isosceles triangle. A triangle having any two equal sides is called as isosceles triangle. Okay? Suppose here a triangle is given ABC like this. ABC. As you can see, AB is equals to AC. So we can say this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay? Now we will go for equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? When all the three sides are equal of a triangle, then we can say it is an equilateral triangle. Okay? Like this. Here a triangle A, B and C in which all the sides are equal. So we can say this is an equilateral triangle. Okay? So this was all about triangles. Okay? Our next topic is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides, or we can say it is a four-sided polygon. It has four sides, four angles and two diagonals. Now we will go for the classification of quadrilaterals. There are mainly five types of quadrilateral, that is rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. First we will know about rectangle. The rectangle has four sides and it also contains four angles which is equals to 90 degree. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Here you can see, if I draw a rectangle, A, B, C, D, all the angles are 90 degree and all the opposite sides are equal in length. So AB equals to CD and BC equals to DA. Okay? So this was about rectangle. Now we will go for the next topic, that is a square. Square is a quadrilateral which has four sides and which are of equal length. उसके चारों sides equal length के होते हैं. It has four angles also which are of 90 degree and all the diagonals are equal in length which bisect each other at 90 degree. Suppose here a square is given. A, B, C and D. So all the angles are of 90 degree and all the sides are of equal length. उसके चारों sides equal length के होते हैं, ठीक है, और इसके diagonals भी equal होते हैं. That means AC equals to BD, okay, and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. That means the angle here is 90 degree, here is also 90, 90 and 90, okay. So we can say a square is a rectangle in which the opposite sides have equal length. Alright. The next one is parallelogram. So a quadrilateral which has two pairs of parallel lines is called a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal in length and the opposite angles are also equal in measures. Okay. Suppose here a parallelogram is given just like this. It is a parallelogram which has opposite sides equal in length and opposite angles also equal in length. That means AB equals to CD and AD equals to CB. Okay? And angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay? So this is a parallelogram. Our next topic is rhombus. So rhombus is also a four-sided polygon. Okay? In which all the sides are equal and the opposite angles are equal. So this is a rhombus. You can see here. A, B, C and D. This is a rhombus in which all the sides are of equal length. Okay. The fact which makes a rhombus different from a square is rhombus square से कैसे differ करता है? In a square, all the angles are of 90 degree, but not in rhombus. Rhombus के सारे angles 90 degree नहीं होते, बस square में सारे angles 90 degree के होते हैं. ठीक है? Our next topic is trapezium. So it is a quadrilateral which has one pair of parallel sides. जिसमें one pair of parallel sides होते हैं. ठीक है? And the diagonals of the trapezium bisect each other. Like all the other quadrilaterals, all the angles of a trapezium is equals to 360 degree. सारे angles के sum इसमें 360 degree होता है. ठीक है? So this is a trapezium. Here there are two parallel lines and all the angles together form 360 degree. Okay? And the diagonals also bisect each other. That means this side is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side. Okay? So this was all about trapezium. Now there is an important note. Square, rectangles and rhombus all are parallelograms. सारे एक तरह के parallelograms हैं. Now we will go for the next topic, that is polygons. A closed figure made up of line segments is called a polygon. It requires minimum of 3 line segments. As we know, triangle is a polygon with least number of sides, 3 sides. Okay? Now we will discuss the shapes of some polygons made up of different number of line segments. The first one is, as you can see, there is a picture of triangle. The triangle consists of 3 sides. Okay? The second one is quadrilateral. The quadrilateral consists of 4 sides. Alright? The next one is pentagon. And the pentagon consists of 5 sides. 5 line segments together constitute a pentagon. Okay? Next one is hexagon. Hexagon consists of 6 sides. 6 number of sides together form a hexagon. Okay? The next one is octagon. Octagon consists of 8 number of sides. As you can see there in the picture, it consists of 8 number of sides. Okay? So this was all about polygon. Now we will go for the next topic. Our next topic is 3-dimensional shape. The shape which can be measured in 3 dimensions is called a 3-dimensional shape. It can be also called as solid shapes. Alright? The measurement of the 3-dimensional shapes are length, width and height. Okay? There are mainly 3 attributes of the 3-dimensional shape, that is face, edge and vertices. Now I will draw a picture to show you these three things. Okay? So as you can see, this is a picture of cuboid. So what is a face? Face is a flat surface of the three-dimensional shape. So यहाँ पे flat surface कौन सा है? This one is the flat surface. So we can call it a face. Okay? So this is the face. This one is also a face. This one is also a face. Okay? Now what is an edge? Edge is the line segment where two faces meets. जहाँ पे दो फेसेस मीट करते हैं उसे एज बोलते हैं. जैसे कि ये वाला, दिस वन इज अ एज. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज vertices. What is a vertices? The point where three edges meet is called a vertices. Okay? This one is a vertex and this one is also a vertex. Okay? The point where three edges meet is called a vertices. Okay? Now we will discuss some three-dimensional shapes in details. The first one is cuboid. So what is a cuboid? It is a rectangular box in which all the sides of the cuboid are rectangle in shape and all the angles also measures 90 degree. जिसके सारे angles 90 degree के होते हैं. As you can see in the pictures, there is a cuboid and all the sides of the cuboid are rectangle in shape and the angles are also 90 degree. Okay? So in a cuboid there are 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Okay? The next one is cube. Okay? So what is a cube? Cube is just like a cuboid, but in cube all the faces are of square-like structures. Okay? As you can see in this picture, there is a cube. All the faces are square-like structures. Okay? And also all the angles measures 90 degree. Here also there are 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Okay? Just like the cuboid. Next topic is prism. Prism is a 3D shape. As you can see, there is a picture of prism. It consists of two equal end faces. Also have identical cross section across its length. Since you can see the cross section looks like a triangle, so generally we call a prism a triangular prism. It has 6 vertices, 9 edges and 5 faces. 2 triangular and 3 rectangular. The next topic is pyramid. It is a solid shape in which the outer surface are triangular which meet to a single point. The base of the pyramid may be of different size such as quadrilateral or maybe a rectangle or any shape of a polygon. Okay? Now we will discuss the basic pyramid, that is the square pyramid. Okay? As you can see, there is a picture of square pyramid. It consists of 5 vertices and 8 edges and 5 faces. Okay? Now we will go for the next topic, that is cylinder. It is a 3-dimensional shape which consists of 2 circular base and that circular base is connected by a curved surface. As you can see, there is a picture of cylinder. It consists of 2 circular base and that 2 circular base is connected by a curved surface. Okay? It has no vertices. As you can see, there is no vertices. Okay? It has 2 edges and 1 flat surface and also 1 curved surface. Alright? The next topic is cone. It is a 3D object. Have you ever seen a birthday cap? Which is nothing but a cone. Okay? It consists of a circular base and a single vertex. Here a picture of cone is given which consists of a circular base and a single vertex. Okay? It consists of 1 vertex, 1 circular face and 1 curved face, also 1 edge. Alright? Next topic is sphere. Have you ever seen a ball which is nothing but a sphere? Okay? A sphere is a perfectly round shape which has a fixed center and the distance from the center to the surface of the sphere is called its radius. Okay? As you can see, there is a sphere. It has no vertices, no edges, only 1 curved surface. Alright? So this was all about 3-dimensional shapes. Now we have completed the chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have not gone through our previous videos, then click here and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thank you.